please subscribe.
Well, my vise broke, so I have to take it apart here and remove the threaded section there. There's a pin in there that I got to replace. That first hole has a shear pin in it. It's actually part of it's broken off inside that hole and inside that threaded piece. There's the shear pin, it's broken half. There's another piece inside the vise still, but that's part of it. It just corroded with rust and it finally broke. I bought a new pin for it. I'm just test fitting it here, and I'm also make sure there's enough stick out because it needs to go. That part needs to go into the vise. So I got to make sure I have equal lengths. In that first hole, you can still see part of the shear pin in there, so I have to take a punch and knock that out of there. This is the bottom of the vise casting, so I knocked the pin out. Now I'm just making sure everything's good. Here's the pin placed in. The trick is I need to put this pin in and have the other piece already slid in, and it's got to line up correctly so that I can get it inside. Not only this hole's fine, but it's the second piece hole that it needs to go into. So that's what I'm just figuring out here to make sure I line it up correctly. Took a few tries, but I finally got it. This thing slides on like a taper type of area to slide into, so you got to have it just set right so that the hole lines up with the bottom hole in the casting, so I can knock the pin through the casting into this sleeve right here, or this threaded sleeve. Just looking at the depth of the pin, so I used a punch to set it.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.